Yo people, welcome back City Hunters. New day, new vlog from downtown Toronto. Look at these massive buildings. Yay. Okay, anyway, welcome back to the channel. Today's plan is that we're going to visit the Toronto Islands. So we're going to visit one of those islands which Toronto got. It's called the Centralville Island. We're going to take the ferry, so I'm going to take you along in this vlog to the Toronto Islands, and let's see what we can do over there. So basically I've booked the ferry already. I've parked my car just now and it's a 15 minutes walk. One thing what you guys should know is if you are with the car and you want to park in Toronto downtown, make use of the website called www.spothero.com. In that you can find much cheaper prices, and you can find a parking lot for a good price. Yeah. So anyway, stay with me and come along today to Toronto Islands. Peace out, ciao. So look at how busy this is, man. I think all the people are coming back from the island, and we're heading towards the island. So let's see where the ferry is, and then let's go towards the Toronto islands. Let me see. I've already got some tickets, so where the hell should I go? I think this is the ferry. Out here, I didn't expect this. So okay, I've already got tickets, so let me scan the ticket and then let's go inside. So this is the row to go to Central Island. So let's see, let's wait. Look how busy it is, man. It is proper busy. And we have arrived at the Toronto Islands. It was I think 5 minutes journey, and I'm going to turn my camera as you guys can see how busy it is. So that's the ferry where we came from. A lot of people are coming outside, and that's the queue for going back to downtown Toronto. Let me see, I'll show you the map. So this is the map of the island, and yeah, we are right now, we are here. This is the island, and yeah, let's walk around and see what the hell we can do around here. So okay, you've got a beach here as well. You can rent a boat, you can rent bikes. You see a lot of grass where you can play, do picnic as well. Over there you've got some information which you can get. So let's walk. See a lot of people with bikes, because you're not allowed to have a car here, so you will see a lot of bikes here. And let's see if we can maybe rent a bike as well to see the island. So right now we're at the amusement park. It's called the Centralville, and yeah, I'll just walk around and I'll show you guys this amusement park on Toronto Islands. So this is the Centralville on Toronto Islands. Not sure if you guys can see the rides, but I'll just walk around and then I'll show you guys what you have got here. Oh yeah, this is then the map. I'm not going to show you guys the map. This is for tickets. And this is basically, it's not a big one, small theme park. Yeah, so you've got some child activities here. Some cars which you can drive. It's quite big. I didn't expect it. Some child stuff as well. Some old school stuff. You can rent out a boat, I think. Yeah, you can rent out boats as well. Some cars, a train. So basically this thing is really famous here, which you can ride. It's called a skyline, and yeah, it goes all the way to the park, and you will get a nice overview of the park. I think of the theme park, not of the whole island, but you will see then yeah, some stuff. Let's see if we can enter. So now we're walking towards the beach. You can see here people can kayak, people can rent out some boats. And let's see where the beach is then. Some lovely flowers that you've got here. The smell is nice, so you can know that they are fresh. Anyway, let's continue. I think over there in the back you've got the beach, and now let's walk towards the beach. So I thought, oh, I almost fell, wow. Okay, I thought this is something to swim, but unfortunately you cannot swim here. Tristan, down, please keep me out. so you can't swim here, helaas. Yeah, let's walk then straight to see if we can find the beach. And we finally arrived at the beach. It's a bit windy, so I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but this is the beach of the islands. The water is a bit too wild. Woo. So there are people who are swimming, there are people who are taking pictures. So right now we're on the pier of Toronto Island. Over there you've got the beach, and there are some cycles which you can rent. Now I'll just walk. It's a lovely view, man. It's a bit windy, no, but it's beautiful. Look at the sun. Wow, mashallah. Okay, let's go. Let's see if I can walk around here. Alright people, so I'm going to end this vlog. Hope you did like this vlog. This is the beach right now. It's on Toronto Island, so you definitely need to visit the beach. There's a lot more to do, but my battery is empty. Not my battery, but the battery of my GoPro, so I'm recording this with my phone. Hope you did like this vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Take it, peace out, ciao.